Good morning, one and all present here. On behalf of Swami Sandas Public School, the whole faculty and the management, I would like to welcome all of you. We all are gathered here digitally to celebrate World Bicycle Day. World Bicycle Day, that is, every year it is being observed on 3rd of the June. June month, 3rd is the day when World Bicycle is being celebrated. See, it is written here, be solution, not pollution. It is a way to get out of the problem of the environment, which is the ultimate problem throughout the globe. We are facing this, the pollution, and this is the solution to this problem. World Bicycle Day 2021. The day celebrates the uniqueness, durability, and versatility of the bicycle and promote it as a simple, sustainable means of transportation. Children, cycling is not only a means of transportation, cycling is also a sport which gives you an enormous sense of freedom, leaving the stresses of daily life behind and pedaling away without care in the world. Whether it is in your local lanes or high up in the mountains, miles away from civilization, there's nothing that can beat the beauty and simplicity of bike ride. Someone has rightly said that 4 wheels move the body, whereas 2 wheels move the soul. When we are riding a cycle, our soul is being moved. We are feeling the environment. We are feeling the natural beauty of nature around us. We start observing more things. We are loving our body more. We are feeling more active and healthy when we are riding a bicycle. So if you can see on the screen, you may know that bicycle has a long history starting from somewhere in 1800 century. The initial bicycle was made up of wood. If you can see on the screen, the cycles which were called as draisins, they were made up of wood. We can imagine that they will be quite bulky, like weight bahut zyada hoga, but still they were very shock absorbing power was there, and with time it has evolved. See, its evolution has changed its shape and size according to the requirement of the society. From 1818 till now, you can see on the screen different types and sizes and styles of bicycles. Okay, children. So now we are going to see a short video in which we will see about what are the health benefits of bicycle. Just have a look.
The benefits of cycling. Cycling is a fun and easy way to get active, get healthy, and it also helps the environment too. Did you know that cycling burns around 5 calories a minute? That's at least 300 calories an hour. It's not all about burning calories though. Cycling boosts your mood and helps you connect to the world around you. You'll start noticing things that you've never seen before. Cycling also has huge benefits to your heart, reducing high blood pressure and your chance of having a stroke. Not only that, but more cycling makes the streets safer for everyone and could reduce road deaths by 30%. Bored of spending hours and hours in traffic jams, cycling in major UK cities can help you get from A to B at half the time with cars. So, what are you waiting for? Get on your bike and start cycling today.
So children, this was a short video which shows you enormous benefits which the cycling will have for us. There is a list of health benefits which are enlisted here. We'll go through them one by one. Number 1, it increases cardiovascular fitness. Cardiovascular means there are some people who are suffering from some heart diseases. So cycling will be helpful for their fitness also, to reduce the chances of heart stroke. It increases muscle strength and flexibility. Definitely, when you ride a bicycle, all the body, your muscles are used, and the muscles, they will get strengthened. Your stamina will increase. It decreases stress level. Definitely, children, stress, whenever you are feeling anxiety, stress, or you are not feeling in good mood, just take a cycle and go out, take a ride. You will definitely feel so much light, and like your stress will go out. It strengthens your bones also. It decreases body fat level. You know, due to sedentary lifestyle these days, most of the people, I think more than half of the population is suffering from this problem of high level of body fat. You may have seen around you in your class itself, children, they have gained weight. They are they have started looking like older than their age. So what is the problem there? The problem is that their body fat level, it has been increased. So cycling is a solution to that also. No need to visit doctors and try different types of medicines and powders and so and so. Just go for cycling and most of your problems will be sorted out. It reduces anxiety and depression. You know, these days, like this lockdown and COVID situation, most of the people, the cycling is not giving only you the health benefits of your like physical fitness. It is very good for your mental health also. In news also, you are hearing some person, they are like committing suicide, and the other are going in depression. They are suffering from mental illness. So to solve this problem of mental illness, the depression and anxiety, again, the doctors are suggesting them to go for cycle ride. Cycling is a very good for reducing the problems which are related to your mental health. Next is a good muscle workout. Definitely, you know, most of the students you may have seen or heard, whenever they are going to gym for their body workout, first of all, the trainer will ask you to go and do cycling. Gym may they have fixed cycles you used to like pedal there. So why not to go for an actual cycle and ride in the lanes where you will be like socially be, you will get some more people to know some more people, you will get more friends, you will be able to see the beauty of the nature, so and so. So it is a good muscle workout. Cycling uses all of the major muscle groups as you pedal. Time efficient as a mode of transport. Definitely, we have seen in the video itself, when cars are stuck in traffic in red light, cycle will help you to reach from one place to other in a lesser time period when we are talking about short distances, right? As a mode of transport, cycling replaces sedentary, like sitting time spent driving motor vehicle. When you are driving a motor vehicle, you are just sitting idly and driving. When you are riding a bicycle, at the same time, you are traveling and you are doing your muscle healthy exercise, right? So time spent driving motor vehicles or using trams, trains, and buses with healthy exercise, right? So these are just few health benefits of cycling. There is a long list of this cycling. So children, kindly go through, like I think most of the points you already know. Whatever you don't know, just today, for the sake of World Bicycle Day, go and search in Google about the benefits of cycling. Maybe then you will get to know something more and something new about, because there's a lot more to learn about this, right? So now shifting on to the next slide. Now I'm going to show you and tell you some amazing and crazy facts about bicycle, which you may or you may not know. So please be serious. And I have already told you, just after this PPT, we are going to have a quiz in which the questions related to this PPT, the information which I am providing you in the PPT, they will be asked to you in that quiz competition, right? So children, please sit actively and note the points if you want to. So here's the first picture, the longest tandem bicycle, seated 35 people. It was more than 20 meters long. It is really amazing to watch this bicycle. You can see everyone has a pedal on his like In between their legs, they have pedals. So it was a rideable bicycle which was brought in from one place to other by riding it, pedaling. 35 people at the same time they are pedaling on one single bicycle. It has got this record in Guinness Book of Record also, right? Next, okay, you may be very much familiar with this name, Hero Cycles Limited, the company. It is a Punjab-based company with its headquarter here, the manufacturing unit in Ludhiana. The Hero Cycle Limited is the largest integrated manufacturer of cycles in the world. This Punjab-based company has manufacturing capacity of 7.5 million cycles per year. Children, you can't imagine. Like 19,000 approximately cycles they are manufacturing each day. Every day, 19,000 cycles are being manufactured. Manufactured means they are being sold one at some or the other place. In India these days, because we have started following Western culture, we have shifted on from cycles to bicycle, like the other motorbikes or four-wheelers. But in so many countries, in Europe itself, people, most like 50% or more population, they are moving on cycles. If you see and check in Google how many people in UK or what you call England, they are using bicycle. So more than 50% of the population, they are using cycle to move from one place to other on daily basis. The mother company, the Hero Cycles Limited, the mother company is Hero Motors Company. This company is exporting cycles to 70 countries. And it has already bought various other bicycle brands like Firefox and H&F Nicolai. You can see the picture. You can see a picture of a person in front of you. Who is this man? Children, this is CMD, Chairman and Managing Director of Hero Cycles Limited. And his name is, what is his name? His name is Pankaj M. Munjal. Please make a note. His name is Pankaj M. Munjal. He is the Chairman and Managing Director of the company CMD and the founder. He is the successor of the founder Om Prakash Munjal. Okay, Vede? So moving on to the next slide. Okay, you will be astonished to know about this lady. A 45-year-old American cyclist. In 2018, this lady, her name is Denise Mueller Cornick. She demolished a record. The record which has stood since 1995. And she became the fastest human to ride a bicycle. She is also called as Speed Queen. ठीक है जी? In the last mile, now see what is the average of this lady. In the last mile, she averaged 183.9 mph. mph means miles per hour. Miles, you know, kilometers say miles the quantity. So miles per hour 183 means somewhere around 200 की speed पे cycle को ride किया है इन्होंने. A speed that is in the motor vehicle world definitely is reserved only for supercars. जैसे हम देखते हैं ना Formula 1 racing, तो there the people like ride on 200 की speed पे cars चलाते हैं. And this lady, she ride a bicycle. She is an American cyclist. She ride a bicycle at the speed of average speed of 183.9 mph. You want to see that lady? How she looks? Okay, just have a look. This is the Denise Mueller Cornick. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. The largest rideable bicycle. You can see how tall it is. It is the largest rideable bicycle. Has a wheel diameter. See the wheel. Both wheels. They have a diameter of 3.3 meter. फीट में कहें तो 10 फीट. आपकी हाइट 4-5 फीट 6 फीट अराउंड होती है हम लोगों की. 10 फीट 9.92 इंचेस की हाइट है सिर्फ और सिर्फ व्हील की. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ लाइक डेमो और अ मिनिएचर और समथिंग. दिस इज नॉट something to just have a look at. This is a rideable bicycle which you can ride on your own. And it was built by Didi Senst from Germany. In the year 2012, October 2nd, this bicycle was made and got a record in Guinness Book of Record. Right, children? Just have a look how beautiful it is. And it is on the road, it means it is rideable, definitely. So shifting on to the next slide, okay. So you know that cycling is not only for like your hobby or just to transport. Cycling is something which you can use as a profession also. In Olympics, we have 4 different disciplines under which the competitions are being conducted, and people who like used to do cycling, they can take part in it. Cycling has been a part of the Olympics since the inception of modern Olympics. You know, like since the day when Olympics came into existence, since then cycling is a part of Olympics. Since when? 1896, like long back, games at Athens. So cycling is a part of Olympics since then. How many types of competitions are there? Cycling in Olympics is completed in 4 different disciplines. What are that? First one is track cycling. Track cycling, you can see on the screen, there is a round track. On the track, it may be like length is, it varies from competition to competition. So this track, cyclists have to like ride on this track. Number 2 is road cycling, which is on the straight road. Third one is mountain bike. Mountain bike means the cyclist has to, like some paths are being made on the mountains, and then they have to ride a cycle like that. And the last one is BMX. BMX की full form बेटे होती है bicycle motor cross. Bicycle motor cross होता क्या है basically? It is a off-road sport bicycle. Off-road होता है, ये किसी रोड पे नहीं चलाया जाता. Like जहाँ पे कोई रोड नहीं है वहां पे bicycle चलाना is BMX, and it is used for racing also and for stunt riding. Stunts आपको पता है, लोग मोटर बाइक पे स्टंट बहुत आपने नेट पे देखे होंगे मोटर बाइक्स पे, बट साइकिल्स पे भी BMX के अंडर स्टंट्स किए जाते हैं अंडर द सुपरवाइजर्स. They are trained for those stunts, and that is a part of Olympic Games. ठीक है जी? If I'm not clear, I can repeat it. BMX is bicycle motor cross, which is being conducted by under like the 4 disciplines of Olympics, and it is a off-road sport biking, and it is used for racing or stunt riding. Done? So that's all for this information. Some crazy facts I have told you. I think I have like ignite some of the curiosity among you, that after this all activity will get over and you will definitely get a look in the Google and search something more about the crazy facts about bicycle. There are a lot more to know. So I would like to end up with this thought. It is the first machine we mastered as children. This is the first machine. When we were child in first, second, third standard, we used to ask, we used to insist our parents to get us a bicycle. Hame cycle chalani hai. And then we learned that, and nothing can compare the joy of feeling riding on your own. When your father leaves the bicycle and you start riding on your own. It was the first machine we mastered as children, and the one we abandoned. It's heartfelt to say we abandoned this machine when the seductions of the automobiles take over. When this automobiles came into existence, हमें cycle नहीं, हमें शर्म आती है. We want to go on scooty, we want to ride a motorcycle, we want to go on car, we want to impress our friends, and we left that machine. जो हमारी childhood memories में maximum memory cycling की है. तो for sustainable development of the economy, of the environment, हमारी environment sustain रह सके, हमारी environment जो है, it should not get hurt by the pollution, by the smoke emission, by the other vehicles. For better environment, for a healthy and active lifestyle, let's ride cycle for a change. Let's ride cycle, at least for today. Let's ride a bicycle. I would like to end up by this with this quote: when the spirits are low, when the days appear dark, when the work becomes monotonous, when hope hardly seems worth having. Just mount a bicycle and go out for a spin down the road without thought on anything but ride what you are taking. But the ride what you are taking. With these words, I would like to thank all of you. And now I want you to just tell me, share your experience, how you felt like on this day. We have provided you with some information about cycling. You want to share your views about the same, you can. Okay, you can please raise your hand, those who want to share some views. Okay, so first of all, I would like to ask Harmeen Kaur. Harmeen Kaur? Yes,
Yes, ma'am. The Z definition of fitness is starving for a thin body and swallowing steroids and what not for a muscular one. And this is all messed up. Riding a bicycle not only makes our legs stronger, heart health better, but teaches us important life lessons like maintaining balance and role of the smallest parts of it. So let's bring cycles back in trend. Let's wear those neon jackets and stuff and make our old friends have a fashionable comeback, or do it the way we used to when we were children. I call it the old school way. Thank you and happy cycling. Let's stay fit.
that's really, really great, Harmeen. That's really a old school day. We are going to remember our old days. Yes, Yadvi, you want to share your views? You can. Yes, children. Yadvi.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vijay.
Life is like a bike ride. Life is like a bike ride. It's about the journey, not about the destination, and we have to pedal it.
Yes, definitely. It's not about the destination,
The word,
it's about the
the
journey.
name bicycle come from these two words, bi and cycle.
Yes, continue, Vijay. I think
The name bicycle come from these two words, bi and cycle. Bi means two and cycle means wheel.
okay, Yadvi, that's great. You have shared your views and thank you for
Ma'am,
sharing your feedback. I think there is some technical problem. Your voice is cracking. So now I would request Nandika. Nandika, yes, bete, you can share.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think the benefits of cycling are almost endless. And it is not only a good form of exercise, but also it improves our immune system. And that's all we need during the COVID-19 situation. We want a strong immune system.
Yes,
And,
definitely.
and besides, it also has a lot of great effects to our environment as it is eco-friendly, and opting for such a pollution-free means of transportation could be a simple but yet effective way for us to make a positive environmental impact.
Definitely, definitely. You are right, Nandika. It is very much required in this present time when the Mother Earth is suffering from so many problems. The human, as the children of the Mother Earth, we have providing her with all the negativities, the pollution and the bad things. So this is what is required right now, that we need to change our lifestyle. We need to change our like our actions. We need to change our whatever we are doing. It should be give positive impact to the environment. Sifat yes, Betty, you can say.
I used to go to my tuition riding a bicycle, and I always felt like disappointing going on the bicycle, and my friends came on scooties and Activa. But now I feel that it is really good to go on bicycle, and I like the ride very much.
Definitely, definitely, because this is actually the reality of the society, that we people, we are more into impressive others. Like we want to impress others that we have, I have scooty, I have motorbike, I have a car. Everyone, see, this was a very good quote that four wheels can move a body, but two wheels can move a soul. When, like recently, I also got a bicycle, and now when I start riding it, what I feel that I have started noticing so many things, which on a scooty or in a car we can't notice because we are on a speed. Here on cycle, we are riding slowly, and then we are noticing things, we are enjoying the beauty of the nature, and that's the best thing which we can do. So thank you very much, all of you children, for making this event, making this day a big success. And I wish from now onwards all of you will be once at least try to ride a bicycle. Yes, thank you very much.